Alright, so got in a shipment from GEMRC. They got a lot of WL aftermarket parts, a lot of WL parts, decent price. So we're going to finish the 112 today. This is the part that I've been waiting on to finish the upper deck and all that. So, and the LC Racing servo it's not very good. So I went back at the metal WL servo came in, so I'll put that back in there. Yeah. What else? So I'm gonna probably have to take the upper deck apart. I probably can leave the motor mounts in, but I'm gonna take that apart, and then what I'll do is I'll cut to fit this. This is made for the truggy, you know, without the center diff. And I'll piece it together and get something working. Partially because I'm too cheap to buy the one, and I can't find the ones by LC Racing, but and then I got to replace the dog bone in there. That's what the other part is. So it shouldn't take too long, but then should be able to get it on the track and really see what it does. Might go back to monster truck tires later, but let's get the truggy tires or the buggy tires on this and get it ripping. So, all right, we're back. I had a little fiddle farting to do, but that's where we're at. It's looking pretty good, actually. Let me get the wheels on her and take a closer look and see how good or bad she looks. So I'll have to do some wire management, obviously. And these, let me take a look at these. First time I've seen them. They don't appear to have foam inside, so but you can't expect too much. Same exact tread as WL, so they're probably WLs put on some generic tires or, you know, rims. And I'm not going to take the glue off because they're glued, just to see if it's got a foam in them, but it doesn't feel like it, so I'm assuming it doesn't. Man, those look pretty good. Not bad at all. Alright. 1,000 of these things around when you don't need them. I am going to have to take back and off of that. I forgot to put my in there. But, the old stuff. Hands out, we're going to make stuff. Like, we'll more. Yeah, it's front there. They like to do carpet, but they look the same as well. $4, I'll give them a shot. I won't really think of it. I'm playing on one time today. I'm ready to retire on it. I'll find one there. Okay, so WL. It looks better. Thanks for pretty nice, actually. Let's see what we got here. Well, might as well do 2 for 1 on this. We'll try the Surpass Hobby. The new receiver I got. See if it binds okay with the CH4. It should. I think it's the same ones that come with. So, got it running, right? Can't do all this work to it and not put a little juice to her. I'm gonna have steel batteries. It's not a bad little truggy. I think it looks better with the black wheels than on the big ones. Looks more natural. And I don't care that that servo is noisy. It's not sitting there beeping at me. Beautiful. Well, you'll probably see me ripping her real quick. Like, bam! Alright, so now that we got the upgrades done and all the stuff put in there, it's time to test her out. Go over everything we've done with her. She's got an LC Racing front or center diff. slipper clutch style. WL servo, but that's because the Bantam just kind of died on me. This is the it's a Hobby King or a Hobby Fan 35 amp ESC 2S3S. It's got the 2835 from my XLF 650. The rest of it's spare parts. WL diffs, WL, everything else is WL. So even the chassis is WL. So the only thing I left that was pretty much LC is the center itself. So slipper clutch. And these are new tires I got in. A lot of the parts I just got in from GEMRC. It's listed below. I got some surprises coming out for that. I might even share a photo or two at the end of this. Some products that he's putting out, he's building. This guy's pretty interesting. He's probably stirred it on. Anyways, he's more of a tinkerer, you know, than a you know, he likes making stuff better. Well, he was working upstairs. Oh, I switched the throttle. Okay, this is GEMRC tires. All the WL extras I got from GEMRC. I'm not even holding the throttle. I'm just a pure test run. I don't want to beat her up yet because I just changed the kimber. The dog bones were popping out because the arms were extending a little too much. Yeah, I had a feeling I wasn't gonna like this grass. Nothing like this grass. Other than my goats. The front wheel seems a little loose. I might change all the. These are the metal swing arms and stuff from that cheap $20 aluminum kit. I might switch back to the standard plastic because these things work out all the time, and that's why I keep losing stuff. I want it to be tight, but I want it to be a basher. So. But I don't know. She seems to run pretty good. Got lots of gas to spare. I mean, I'm not touching it. We'll do a speed run on her later. When we go to Mom's or something. I got like 3 cars I got speed run, so. Now I don't have reverse, I'm not sure exactly why. And I did originally start with an LC front end. Camera's getting goofy. Hopefully I'm getting this. What do we got going on? Rocks suck for RC cars. Let's see if it'll handle the track. Screw it. So today we're going to be working on the track a little too, so I know my steering's all goofy. It didn't like that at all. SE. It's not the best in the world. I haven't decided what kind of body. Right now I got, what the heck's going on? See, this is what I mean. Stuff just pops out a lot. This metal, this aluminum swing arm, they ain't so cool. And don't have this problem with the standards. See, and then it pops out. So I think we'll stop there. Don't need to check her on the track. I gotta fix that. But she runs real good. I really like the red swing arms, but if they keep causing me problems like this, then I ain't gonna go with it. So we're gonna have a whole nother 112 build coming up. Keep your eye out for that. Gonna be carbon fiber, a whole new build. So I'll have that, plus this, plus the new WL I should have hopefully real soon, within a week, and get it all done. So anyways, hope you liked. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.